DIGG is a social bookmarking site, and it's free to sign up. It's all about content sharing. Has over 7 million users, and is a great way to promote your site by digging it. You can bookmark both your own sites, blogs, articles and videos, and let DIGG users vote on them. How to market on DIGG. Dig things in your niche that are similar to your own things. Don't only dig your own products and sites. That could look like a spammer, and you could be kicked out of the DIGG site. Dig different things: videos, blogs, articles. Make sure that you dig about 50% of your own sites and products and 50% of other people's. Even though the links are no follow, they will still get you good direct traffic.